Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to work the linked double crochet. Let's go. For this tutorial, you are going to need any weight yarn you want to practice with. I have a bulky weight yarn that's on the heavier side, and then you're going to need a matching hook. I have a USK or 6.5 millimeter hook to go with my yarn. The linked double crochet is a stitch multiple of 1, so you can go ahead and chain any number of chains that you would like to get started. Once you have a few chains worked, you're going to need 3 turning chains, so you can go ahead and chain 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. To create the beginning stitch, we're going to go ahead and skip the first chain and pull up 1 loop in the second chain. 2 loops are now on your hook. You're going to skip the third chain and pull up a loop in the 4th chain. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to go ahead and complete a double crochet just like you normally would. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. But now what you have is a stitch that looks a little differently, and it creates this horizontal bar that we're going to go ahead and work into. So from top to bottom, we're going to insert our hook through that horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook, and now we're going to work into our next chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to work in that same manner all the way down our chain. Insert through the horizontal bar of the previous stitch from top to bottom, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I really love the texture of this stitch. As you can see, it creates this line across and then these 2 little almost hearts. It's a little harder to see in this bottom one here, but it's like a little heart and a line and a little heart. It's just so gorgeous. For our next row, we're going to start off by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip the chain closest to our hook, insert through the middle chain, pull up a loop, and then turn our work and insert into the first stitch. I have 3 loops on my hook, and we're going to just complete a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that starts us off with our horizontal bar that we can work into to link our stitches together. Continue going top to bottom through that horizontal bar, pulling up a loop, inserting into the next stitch, pulling up a loop, and completing a double crochet. And that's the linked double crochet stitch. And there you have it. Linked stitches are just another fun way to create unique fabric in crochet. I hope that this tutorial makes linked stitches super easy for you. I have more tutorials on linked stitches, and I will link them below. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting.